Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the title, date, and time for a Google Calendar event on the More Options page. So adding a title is pretty easy. Just going to click on title or event title, give it a name. Right now it's only set for April 1st. I'm going to click off all day here, and then it gives me the option to change the time. So let's say it goes from 10 until 11. It's like an hour long. Or if it is going to be all day, you can click on all day, and then you will not have the option to create a start time and an end time, since by definition the event is all day. There is no start time and end time. It's just all day. And if you do need to, you can adjust the time zone for events on this page. And so there are a few ways you can control these settings for these events from the More Options page.